Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the Zenbusiness app, a tool designed to help users start, manage, and grow their businesses by simplifying legal filings and business services. This video explains how the Zenbusiness app works, highlighting its core features, practical strengths and weaknesses, recent user feedback, and whether it's worth using for business management. The Zenbusiness app allows users to create an LLC, corporation, or other business structure directly from their mobile device. Once a business is formed, the app continues to offer tools for maintaining compliance, accessing important documents, and managing filings. Features like registered agent services, annual report reminders, and in-application tracking are integrated for easier business upkeep. Users can also review their business documents, manage their dashboard, and get customer support all in one place. One of the main strengths of the Zenbusiness app is how it simplifies the legal process. It breaks down complex filing steps into guided prompts and helps ensure deadlines and documents are handled correctly. The app's interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for first-time business owners. Notifications keep users updated on filing progress, compliance deadlines, and service status, helping prevent issues with state requirements. However, there are a few downsides to note. While the app offers many essential services, some advanced features like operating agreements or faster turnaround times require separate add-ons or upgrades, which may increase the overall cost. A few recent users also mentioned occasional delays in customer service response, and said the mobile experience felt more limited compared to the desktop version. Based on recent reviews, many users appreciate the convenience and clarity the Zenbusiness app provides. One reviewer mentioned they successfully registered their LLC without needing professional help, and that the app walked them through each step clearly. Another user praised the automated compliance reminders for keeping their business on track. At the same time, some users said they wished there were more options for customizing services within the app rather than relying on the website for certain tasks. In conclusion, the Zenbusiness app offers a streamlined experience for entrepreneurs looking to form and maintain a business with minimal hassle. It's especially useful for new business owners who want a clear, guided path through legal requirements. While it may not replace all the functions of the desktop version, it's a reliable companion for managing essential filings and keeping your business in good standing. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.